Today, we're putting the number 9 hinge screw to the test while it is inserted in a number 9 ZZem screw. For this setup, we welded an eye hook onto the hinge screw so we had a secure connection point for the digital scale. Then, we drilled a 5/16 hole into a 6x6 wood beam and installed the number 9 ZZem Screw anchor. This test is designed to measure how much straight pulling force the number 9 hinge screw can handle once it's threaded into the ZZem Screw. With the anchor set in place, we thread the modified hinge screw directly into the number 9 ZZem Screw. Then we hook it up to the digital scale and start applying pressure. As the force builds, the number 9 hinge screw continues to hold strong. All the way up to 1,073 pounds of pulling force. At that point, the screw finally gave out. That's more than half a ton of pull strength from a number 9 hinge screw installed into a number 9 ZZem screw, a powerful demonstration of what this repair system is built to handle.